Hey guys, welcome to another Where's the Gun box break auction. This one for 2011 certified. This is for a group of eBay auctions that ended on Tuesday, February 14th. We'll do a time check here. And it is Wednesday, February 15th, 2012, time of 22:20, which is 12:20 a.m. on the 16th here in Texas. We'll get started here with the box break. I want to thank everybody for bidding, and good luck. Check out the box here. Alright. Good luck. Last box of these we opened, we got a Matt Ryan auto numbered to 10 and a Jim Brown auto numbered to 25. See if we can find some more good stuff here. Michael Turner, Feeney. I got Chad Henne for the Dolphins Gold. That is the number 25 out of 25. Base, so it's pretty cool. This one feels a little thick. Got Michael Crabtree, Santana Moss, Ryan Matthews, and we'll start off this way. Brandon Marshall. That's D'Angelo Williams base, and so we have a freshman fabric Colin Kaepernick dual jersey auto. It's a pretty cool looking card. That is numbered 316 out of 499. Here's rookie here. It's a nice on card auto there for Colin Kaepernick. Nice looking card. There's our first hit. Steve Smith for Panthers, Bass, Browns. Looks like we got another hit here. Got the Andre Johnson. Martin Manningham here, and we have another freshman fabric prime patch for Vincent Brown for the Chargers. Nice looking patch, they're huge. And Vincent Brown for the Chargers prime, and that is numbered 5 out of 5. Nice, that's the 5 out of 5. So we got a 25 out of 25 and a 5 out of 5 already. So that's pretty cool. Started off pretty decent. Here's the 5 out of 5 is the lowest numbered card that we've pulled so far doing these breaks the last couple of weeks. And Next Generation Robert Hauser for the Cardinals. Those are numbered to 999. Fred Jackson, Dwayne Bowe. Colston, Sue. Got a Lyle Powell certified potential for the Jets. Let's give another hit here. Jared Mayo. And Honey Jones for the Bengals. And have it upside down. We have a certified potential Julio Jones for the Falcons. Julio. And okay, the Bilal Powell was numbered to 999, and he's gonna be number 92 out of 250 for Julio Jones. So there's 3 hits. And they've all been pretty decent. We got Malcolm Floyd, Chris Johnson, Sidney Rice for the Seahawks. Those are gonna be number 250. 250. Goodson. Rodgers, Flacco, PJ Yates for the Texans. Rookie, number 77 out of 999. And some more base cards. Alright, Hines Ward, Josh Freeman, Anthony Allen for the Ravens. Number 999, Foster and Evans. A couple packs left. Guaranteed to have 1 hit left in here. And I believe it's right here. Ben Watson, Wes Welker, Calvin Johnson. We had a Chad Ochocinco, Jamal Charles base, and this is a Mark Ingram. Nice. Mark Ingram, rookie fabrics of the game. Team name cut for the Saints. That's pretty nice, and that is numbered 6 out of 25. Yeah, gosh, I think we did pretty good here. 6 out of 25. There's a Calvin Johnson. And our last pack. Got Sean, Amendola, Braylon Edwards, Woodhead, and Moreno. This one was all base, huh? Not even a rookie or anything in there. Alright. Alright. Quick recap here. We got the Mark Ingram here for the Saints, numbered to 25. Julio Jones for the Falcons. And he's numbered to 250. Go to the freshman fabric. Colin Kaepernick, autograph numbered to 499. The dual jersey, and then the prime freshman fabric for Vincent Brown for the Chargers. Nice patch there, and numbered 5 of 5. So I'd say that was a pretty good box. Thanks everybody for bidding. Congratulations to everyone that got one of these great hits. And be sure to check out my other box break auctions. And thanks for watching. I'll get these out to the mail to you tomorrow.